it.
Nice. Nice. Nice, dude. Yes!
Oh,
yes!
nice, dude. Good job. Why did I jump out the damn car? Oh my god.
I don't know, because you're drunk.
How do we do the e-brake is what I meant to do.
It's space bar.
Oh, space bar. I'm all hitting E to try and do it, and I like jump out of the car.
You jump out of the car. Do you want me to wait for you?
Whoa! Yeah, wait for me.
I'll wait for you.
Just off-roading right now in the Lamborghini. No big deal.
Whoa, dude, you're gonna get exposed.
What gives it away? My beat-up, smoking car? Totally undercover. They won't suspect a thing. No red flag.
not at all.
Whoa! Not every day you see a downed helicopter just leaning up against this tower.
Slowly. Oh shit!
Whoa! Who's this guy? Interrogate him? I don't know. He has cool sunglasses though.
Do me now.
Do you now?
You're good angle.
Okay, baby. You're like sliding down the stairs. Grenade launchers activated. Suck it, bitches!
Oh, sweet Jesus, good job.
Keep up your rate of fire. Take those Sicarios out.
Oh yeah, I see it.
And the
nice.
helicopter's down. Ho-ho!
Holy shit, dude.
Welcome
nice.
to the party.
I'm gonna try to take down the helicopter too. Yes! Yes!
Nice, dude. I should make a video montage of just blowing up the helicopters.
We can essentially glide down with our parachute.
How are you
You
parachuting
already
right
lost
now?
your parachute. I'm parachuting. I jumped out of the airplane.
Oh, well, I died and then respawned where the helicopter was.
I'm flying, dude.
Hey,
You
good
have to
job,
jump
dude.
out
Now
of
I have
the-
to drive all the way
my
over
God.
here. Why
No,
didn't you
can
tell me to
faster
jump?
than- I told you. I said jump out. I said... I might have not said
Dude,
that.
at least I went down with the ship like a true captain. You, on the other hand, just bails out. Coward. I have to run my ass all the way over here.
Oh shit, helicopter. You're the master of this, dude. Dude, take him out.
Got one.
Yeah! I took one out.
Nice, dude. Good job.
Yes!
Oh, nice.
Second one.
Dude, good job.
Why?
Oh, but it failed because it
Oh my
landed on
God.
the freaking thing. It landed on the radio and
Piece
killed
of
it.
Shit. Fuck.
Oh, what are the odds of that, dude? What are the odds of that?
I don't
You
know,
killed the
it's
helicopter,
odds
but
of-
it crash landed on the stupid radio where you're supposed to
Fuckers.
protect and instantly
Fuckers,
failed the mission.
dude. Thank you for the brief description and the detailed explanation of why.
What are the odds of that shit? We downed a helicopter that landed on the
Do you
stupid
wanna-
radio.
You know what we should... One down.
Another one down.
Third one
Nice,
down.
dude. Alright, this helicopter is annoying me. I'm gonna shoot it down.
Nice, dude. Yeah, take him out. Take him out.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh crap, it's gonna land on me.
Dude, it's so close, we can literally walk.
I'm riding the motorcycle.
Oh my god, dude.
Woo!
And he's like
I'm gonna
right
pass you
fucking
up later,
behind me.
Balaj. Oh shit, I hit a
Don't get
gravestone.
detected. Yeah, don't get detected. Let's stop vandalizing graves,
Coming
you
up on the
asshole!
objective now.
I was focusing on the helicopter and things got messed up.
Can't crawl under this door, are you serious? Oh my god.
Hold on. Oh, there it is. Nope, that's a local. I got the radio in sight. I'm just trying to see where the...
This guy on the motorcycle? Oh my god, that was funny. He detected me and he was trying to run at me with his motorcycle and hit a rock. Couldn't get past the rock, so I shot him.
Helicopter,
Yeah,
helicopter, helicopter above us.
Oh,
Nice.
nailed him. Oh shit. I blew
Terrible
myself
job.
up.
Terrible job.
Oh, there it is.
It disappeared. It disappeared. Okay, be careful.
Oh, got it. Got him.
Helicopter down. Helicopter down.
Silenzio. Marche.
Got
You can
him.
grab him. I killed everybody. I killed everybody.
I'm intimidating
I
him.
intimidated
My
the
friends all
asshole.
think you're
Yep.
useless. Me, I think we can make an example out of you. You'd be surprised. when
Got
you
him, bro.
find a ma-
You can just kind of go in through here. There's a door entrance right on my position. And that was loud. How did I knock this shit over?
It's okay, dude.
my
It's
God.
okay. We're not suspected yet. I mean, we don't have to kill them, dude. Well, the thing is, we need the helicopter, though, and we need the supply, so let's just kill everybody. Nice.
Got
Nice,
him.
dude.
Silent takedown.
I'm here to pick
Where's
you
that
up.
JT? Is that our rebels?
I'm here. Ah! Sorry. Sorry, dude. I killed you.
Oh crap.
Oh, fuck. That's Unidad. Oh,
Alright.
crap.
Got him.
Nice. Are you serious? From the car?
From the car. Grenade launcher. We can keep reloading and set mines literally everywhere, dude. I'm gonna put some inside this house. I'm gonna like put them
Yeah.
everywhere.
I mean, yeah, we can rig the whole place.
Wait, let me place a mine. Placing
Oh,
a mine
shit.
for our Sicario friends.
How many C4s did you
Demo's
sell?
primed. Demo's primed and in place. Yo, placing a mine over here.
Holy shit, look at the minimap.
Wait, let me place a mine.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, that's awesome. I gotta take a
Okay,
screenshot
ready?
of that. Hold on.
Let's just place a few
Awesome.
mines. That's awesome, dude.
Just a few mines in case. There goes one vehicle. That's awesome. Good old C4.
Second one. Helicopter again.
Helicopter down.
One more helicopter. 22 seconds. 22 seconds, dude. Oh my god.
Ready,
oh my
ready,
freaking
ready,
god.
ready.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Fire!
Oh no! No!
Hell
no!
yeah.
No! 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 No!
Oh, my god! Are you freaking stupid ass helicopter, dude? I'm gonna take a screenshot and email freaking Ubisoft. This is such bullshit! Oh my god, dude. This is the second time this bullshit's happened, dude. I am reporting this server. Take a screenshot now. That is classic. Look at this.
I'm saying-
Look at this.
I'm just-
What the?
Man. Listen,
What are the odds this
problem
whole
is-
city, this whole field, and it has to land right on the dumbass radio that we're trying to protect right now? We planted how many mines in C4? We had 10 seconds left. Ah, God.
Dude, you should see my stream. I literally spilled my drink. I was laughing so hard. Now I want to get this shit done.
Yeah, dude. We almost had it, dude. That was the best round we ever did.
We
almost had
with
it.
10 seconds left. It's the freaking helicopter that fell down that literally
know.
murdered our radio, dude. That's awesome.
That was. I'm not even mad. That was like way too funny to even like be mad about. Like what are the freaking odds of that shit? You can even see the two guys still in the helicopter, and the helicopter to the left of the church at the entrance. There's like 4 guys still sitting there, and they're all dead. Like I gotta take a screenshot. They're like still intact.
Look at my stream, how much I'm laughing.
God, dude, this game.
I like the 4 guys in the helicopter.
So frustrating. Wow.
Oh man, you're killing me, dude. You absolutely slaughtered me here. Yeah, I mean, it's like literally all, all 4 of them. There's the dead corpses there. Let's see the idiots who failed our mission. These idiots. My god, I'm taking the perfect screenshot.
Oh my god, this is the perfect screenshot.
Helicopter, you assholes. I'm gonna kill this guy just because. There you go. Assholes. Do you want to blow yourself up? Let's activate the C4s.
We'll die together. Alright, go ahead.
3, 2, 1. Okay. Last second, and it drops on it. Man, I spilled my drink. I was laughing so hard.
The unit dad just like took a massive shit on that mission. They're like, alright, if we're going down, you're going down with us. They literally
Unbelievable, man.
Kamikaze crashed their freaking helicopter
into
right into our
guess what,
shit.
dude?
I gotta take a quick piss because this is gonna be a long
Okay.
round. I'm actually going into this bathroom in this house here. I'm actually taking a piss. Helicopter. Got him.
Nice, good
Please
job.
don't land on our shit.
Oh my
Are you
God.
kidding me? Freaking helicopter magnet? Is this game
That was
broken?
awful. I can't take this anymore.
Dude, is this a
Awful.
glitch? This is insane, man.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Oh, what are the odds?
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. If a helicopter falls on it again, we're just gonna give up.
Let's try and shoot it at a different time.
Angle, yeah. Just wait for it a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's
Go
good.
straight down. Go straight down. Okay. Alright, there you go.
4-second, dude.
Okay, message.
We did it. We did it. We
That
did
ought to
it.
inspire the
Oh my god, finally. That was close. Oh, finally, dude.
Jeez.
So do
Alright,
we.
let's head for the main mission immediately. Let's not lose time. I'm marking the main mission, so let's go. We're gonna drive over the mine, dude. It's not a good idea. We're gonna drive over our own mines. Actually, not sure. Let's give it a try. Maybe I can
Go
avoid
around.
it.
Go around.
Yep. Yep. I drove over the mine.
You just got in the car. We didn't even move, and it like blew up. Oh, that's funny.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
Funny shit keeps happening. Oh my god. You like literally just closed your door and then it
I
just
closed
blew
the
up.
door and it blew up.